Zvaunoda Handizvigone, a song by Leonard Dembo. In this song, Leonard Dembo is trying to encourage people to be comfortable about who they are. He wanted people to be bold enough to say no to things that they are not comfortable with. Zvakandiomera zvaunoda. Mumwe nemumwe anoita zvaanokwanisa, kwete ningi zvaanokwanisa. Here he is saying each person is different. We can't all be the same. You need to discover who you are and do not try to pretend to be someone you are not, as this might take out your joy. Do not lose track of who you are by trying to conform. Dembo is saying, be bold enough to act independently and with confidence. Do not let anyone bully you into doing things that you are not comfortable with. Dembo understood the pressures that society and individuals exert on people to try and conform. Sometimes these pressures are real and sometimes they are imaginary, but they do exist. Dembo then went on further to show these pressures are also found in relationships, be it a marriage or friendship, when he says, "Wotobvunza iye waunodana naye, kwete iniwo handizvigone." We also learn of the negative effects to self when you try to be who you are not. This even affects your mental well-being and quality of life. Resha ndekwangu ini kurera inda inondisheta ropa. On this verse, Dembo is trying to say the negative effects of conformity are devastating to one's health, but he is blaming himself for allowing people to push him to such despair. He gives an analogy of a flea that is on your body. So you are carrying it around, but what is it doing to you? It is causing untold harm to yourself, but the power is in your hands to deal with it and be free. We see this resolve where he says, better kuiuraya, referring to the flea analogy. Deal with any negative vibes decisively and live a positive life. He says, ndinatse sei munondiviringa ndiwe chipo here uchandiurayisa. This verse shows that even if you try your best to please people by being who you are not, they won't even appreciate, and it is you who is dying inside. In conclusion, Dembo is saying, be the best version of yourself. Do what is good for your health and conscience. Influence others positively and disregard the negative and toxic characters as they will weigh you down. Cheers.